average of 1.52, we have Subido Urban.
With a general weighted average of 1.51 or rank 9, we have Serkinia Erica.
And for rank 8, with a general weighted average of 1.5, we have Bilog Biance Loris.
With a general weighted average of 1.49 or rank 7, we have Shoko Jovelin, Gwen Ramshiel,
For our rank 6, with a general weighted average of 1.46, we have Rebelo Mary Antoinette, Peralta Mark Joshua, Mendoza Francine, and Janiso Gabriel.
with a general weighted average of 1.44 for our rank 5, we have Montemayor Erica, Team Carol Clyde.
With a general weighted average of 1.43, our rank 4 is Ligao Raymond.
With a general weighted average of 1.42, for our rank 3, we have Dizan Valenjoy.
And for our rank 2, with a general weighted average of 1.33, we have Francisco Godwin Ulan.
With a general weighted average of 1.32, the first tier is Campino. Congratulations!
Galing! Ang galing mo! Ang galing mo!
Okay, may we call on everyone to go in stage to take a group photo.
Ano talaga ito? Lahat ng section namin dati.
Ang galing!